Veterinary X-ray tables are widely used in pet hospitals and laboratories with a wide range of equipment for pet photography and research. However, most of the current veterinary X-ray table breaks with electromagnet brake. Electromagnet brake uses is the way of permeability to power the bed panel to absorb braking effect, thereby when the electricity to absorb electromagnet and bed panel is instantaneous and produce large noise, easy to pets, lead to pet will panic, that has taken place and adjusted original have to adjust, and the electromagnet has been electrified in the use process, which constantly consumes electricity and shortens the life of the electromagnet. The maintenance is very difficult and the electromagnet cannot be replaced until the plate of the veterinary X-ray table bed has been removed. When there was a power failure, the whole set of pet photo beds could not work, which hindered the development of the veterinary X-ray table bed. Therefore, Newheek has made improvements with regard to the defects in the veterinary X-ray table. The Newheek veterinary X-ray table has a wide range of types with fixed, mobile and four-way floating X-ray tables. And our veterinary X-ray table with infrared induction and electromagnetic locking facilitates doctors' working pressure. Newheek veterinary X-ray table can meet your different purchase requirements.